Oh, wow.
That's how it was at the beginning. White snow marble. White. Can you see this visualization here?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, this metallic and putting them on their feet. Then they sculpted them, and then at the end they cut off the right, for a stepping stone in Athenian politics. And he was an educated level of architecture, engineering, and mathematics. Its architects were sculpted carving band. Come closer, please, if you want to see that. Can you see an Athena? They all came up here to offer a gift to their patroness goddess Athena. The gift was a peplos, a very long woven cloth storied with scenes from Gigantomachy, the mythical battle between the Olympians and the giants. And each side of the party, the mythical battle between the female warriors Amazons and the Athenians. Well, the south side depicted the battle between Lapiths and Centaurs. The eastern side depicted Gigantomachy, the mythical battle between the Athenians and the giants or titans, while the north side depicted the only historical battle, the Trojan War. Okay? Very
Oh, those are cold drinks, do you?
Marble.
Yeah.
Okay. So, great altar on which blood sacrifices took place during the Great Parthenon and Troy. Okay. But it was of course sculpted by ancient Greeks. These are Greek works. Design 10 couples of animals. 10 kilometers away.
So this is the side with no scaffoldings that you can and then go to the shade and
I know. Stand today. There was the great tower. So you see the sculpted ceiling once again from here, so that it could lose weight and could be undertaken and weighed by. And you also see how rich
on top.
Yeah.
Beautiful, eh?
Jump up and down.
Oh, look at that one. But ooh. Hey. No about that.
Behind me, yes, that's Mars Hill. Mars, in Latin, Ares in ancient Greek. Who is it? Excuse me, next. Well, this one temple follows the Corinthian order. You see its capitals. They are